Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to make your packaging more sustainable. Whether you're making an internal push to become more sustainable, want to reduce your impact on the environment, or are trying to target new customers, these tips are going to be for you. Alright, so making your packaging more sustainable. Let's talk about tip number 1. Ship in smaller packaging when possible. When it comes to packaging sizes, there are usually 2 approaches. One is to optimize your varied products with a wide array of packaging sizes that fit different combinations, and the other method is to use a one-size-fits-all approach with packaging and various fillers to keep your product secure. While it may seem more economical to have a one-size-fits-all approach, you can actually save more in the long run when your packaging is designed to fit your product SKUs. Tip number 2, check your tertiary packaging. If you're shipping products and SKUs in bulk, you are using tertiary packaging, and sometimes you're not using an optimized design. Work with your manufacturing and shipping teams to do an analysis on your current usage, find efficiencies, and reduce waste. There are 3 levels of packaging, but tertiary is often overlooked. Alright, and tip number 3, try recycled and renewable materials. Sourcing recycled paper for your cartons is very important, but not only does using recycled paper mean you're helping the environment, it can also be cheaper. Paper made from 100% recycled consumer waste can have less machine processing time and less resources used in the manufacturing process. And tip number 4, analyze your supply chain for overpackaging. Your supply chain has thousands of touch points for both your product and its container. Before they come to you, items are bagged, baled, or bundled at each of these touch points, typically with additional packaging. These layers are added to keep your goods clean, safe, and organized, but there are times when less packaging might have the same effect. Talk to your production partners to better understand each of these touch points, and you might be able to find some great areas to reduce costs and save money on materials. And finally, tip number 5, find a sustainable manufacturer. Packaging manufacturers may practice sustainability in a variety of ways, including reducing power or water use, optimizing machines, and even time management. It's possible for manufacturers to be sustainable not only with the materials they use, but in their own practices. When you work with a company that knows how to become sustainable, your customers will notice when they see your product. Not only is it a great practice to align yourself with sustainability, it can have some financial benefits also down the road. Do more with Bennett. Sustainable packaging options including FSC certified material.